Hey guys, welcome to Varsha Tripathi YouTube channel. So today in this video, I will teach you the chapter 8 quadrilaterals of class 9 maths NCERT, in which I shall explain you about the quadrilaterals definition and the property of only one type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. So let's begin the class. Before beginning, I was thinking that you might be wondering that I'm not starting with chapter 1 explanation. But actually this is November month and I have started my YouTube channel now. So now I'm starting the term 2 syllabus, that is the quadrilateral of chapter 8. So please cooperate with that. If you want the explanation from chapter 1, so you can comment me down. I will do these sessions on Sundays of term 1 explanation. So let's begin the class. So first we need to understand the definition of quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed polygon which is made up of four line segments, four vertices, and four angles. We can consider this also as a quadrilateral, this also, this as well, and this also. So, a quadrilateral is something which has four line segments, four angles, and four vertices, and it is also a closed polygon, not an open polygon, a closed polygon. So now we are beginning with the definition of parallelogram and its properties. So a parallelogram is also a quadrilateral which also has a four line segments, four vertices and four angles. It is a type of quadrilateral. So in a parallelogram, the AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD because the opposite sides are equal, and also AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD because opposite sides are parallel as well. The second point I want to say is the opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. The third point I want to say is that the diagonals bisect each other at not at right angles, only bisect each other in parallelogram, which means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. The fourth and the last point of properties of parallelogram, I want to say that the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is always 180 degree, which means AB plus BC is equal to 180 degree, BC plus CD is equal to 180 degree, CD plus AD is equal to 180 degree, and AD plus AB is equal to 180 degree. So I hope that you might have understood the quadrilateral definition and the definition of parallelogram and its properties as well. In next session, I shall explain you about the properties and the definitions of rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium, and kite. I have already drawn the diagrams of that. So thank you. Keep watching and do subscribe, share, and do like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.